I'm Dan Green and welcome to the Click and Bank 2 full technical demo. So what you're going to see is exactly the experience you will have as a brand new Click and Bank 2 user and customer. So I'm going to dive right in here and register an account using my purchase email. And we can see we've now got access to the Click and Bank 2 dashboard here. Where you can find tutorials, bonuses, everything you need. But what I'm going to do is going to dive in there and get started with a new website. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter my ClickBank ID. Now, don't worry, if you don't have a ClickBank ID, it is super easy to get one. It's free. Approval is automatic and it takes just seconds. And of course, we have a tutorial video showing you how to do it. So I'm just going to enter my ID here, that's my ClickBank ID. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a niche for my site. So you can see here that we've got all of the different niches on ClickBank covered. So you can choose any of these for your Click and Bank 2 site. So I'm going to choose health and fitness. So I'm going to just call it health and fitness site. Of course, you can choose any site name you want. And I'm also going to choose a subdomain for our site here. So this is because I'm going to have this site hosted by us. So we need to choose a subdomain for it so we know where to go to access our site. But if you want to use your own domain, that's absolutely fine. You can do that, and I'll talk you through how you do that a bit later on in this demo. So I'm just going to call this health fitness site, health and fitness. There we go. So let's go ahead and then create this website. Okay, so let's take a look at this incredible site that we've created simply by entering our ClickBank ID, choosing a name for a site, and choosing a ClickBank niche. We click view, you can see this entire site is being created for us, and wow, guys, this is amazing. Look at this, it comes pre-done for you with great content related to your chosen niche. All of this content is sourced and it is all original. It is spun to be 100% original for great Google ranking results. As we all know, original content is what ranks you way higher, way faster than any other factors, and your site comes pre-done for you with great content, perfect punctuation and structure, interesting content for your visitors, and content Google will love. We also comes pre-done with various different advertisements, all put in place for you, created for you, all relating to ClickBank offers in your chosen niche. All of these with your ClickBank ID automatically embedded for you, so you get full credit for each sale. And you even get your own fully integrated autoresponder service integrated for you, so you can start growing lists and sending automated email marketing campaigns. And as well as normal posts, your site is further monetized for you with review posts fully done for you. Each review comes with full video review created for you by us of a great ClickBank offer in your niche. You can see here the current offer is Eat, Sleep, Burn. We have written some powerful sales copy for you for the review, and the buy button there is embedded, of course, with your ClickBank ID. So that's yet another monetization method for you. And Click and Bank 2 really can be as simple as that. It can be as simple as just clicking a button, creating your site, and letting us do all the work for you, designing your site and monetizing it, and helping you rank with original content. But of course, we do provide lots and lots of different options so you can configure your site and have it look and perform exactly how you want it to. So I'm now going to dive in and look at some of the more complex and advanced features. But just remember, you don't need to actually do any of this. All you need to do is just click a button and you can have a site in any niche that is monetized and looks great, all done for you. So first of all, we'll go back to the dashboard and I'm just going to look at the site design. So we'll look at the layout side of things. Now, as mentioned, we have created and designed the site for you, but you can change lots of different things. So perhaps you want to change what the main banner, the main background looks like. You can also upload your own instead. So if you want to choose your own file, you can do so that way. You can also upload your own logo if you wish to, instead of using the default one we've created. You can choose different colors. We've got different. You can choose change what it says here, for example, by changing this. You can even get rid of the banner background entirely. You can choose different themes. So let's just do this, where we'll choose this one instead. And we'll click Update Settings. Then just have a look and see how those changes are reflected. And you can see there that we've changed how our site looks just by doing that. We've got dozens and dozens of design options, so you can have your site look exactly how you want it to. We can also integrate social media, so if you want to create social media platforms for your site, you can enter them here. And we can also change our SEO options if we wish to here as well. Now, you may be wondering at this point, where does all of the content come from? How are we able to generate all this original content so easily and automatically? Well, let me show you. So if we go here, and we can click on the content sourcing page here, you can see that for each different niche, we have selected some YouTube channels related to your niche. So this one, for example, here, if we just open it up, and what happens is as new videos are created on this channel, they are auto-transcribed into new content for you. So it turns the video words into copy, into content on your site, original content created for you. And of course, you can, if you wish to, add any YouTube channels you want to at any point by just adding the YouTube channel URL there. So you can add in any YouTube channels you want. And if you don't like the ones that we've chosen, then of course you're able to go ahead and delete those at any point. So if you wanted to, you could even go ahead and delete all of your channels and only have your own ones. Now, as mentioned, all of these posts that can be created for you on autopilot, but we also give you the option to go in and edit any of the posts you want at any time. So you can say this here is a full visual editor. So if you want to, you can very easily go in and change things. So perhaps I want that in bold. You can do that. Or I might want to put in an image or a video. We can easily do that by just putting the URL of the video we want to have in there. It's a full visual editor, and of course you can change the title, anything you want, and it's just so simple. And if we want to, we can even create our own posts. Again, full visual editor. We can create our own posts with our own title, put in images, whatever we want. This is just like basically having just like it would work in WordPress or something like that if you want to create your own posts. And the same thing with the reviews. We mentioned the video reviews earlier. So for example, if you wanted to have a look at this one, this is the one we had a look at earlier. We can go in and we can change and edit anything we want on here. We could also, if we wanted to, even create our own manual review. It's really super simple. Haven't talked about so far, which is a really exciting feature, is the fully integrated autoresponder service that we've created for you. So you can see by default we've placed an opt-in form on your site when you create it, but if you wish to, you can go in and create your own lists, change the opt-in form, create your own opt-in form, reposition it, and I'll just talk a little bit more about how that all works. So you go in here and you can create unlimited lists. So you can see this one has been created for us automatically. If we wanted to, we could just go ahead and create a new list like this. So you can create unlimited lists. As well as having unlimited lists, we also support unlimited email campaigns. So if we come in here to the campaigns, you'll see that we have actually created done for you email marketing campaigns for your various different ClickBank offers that are ready to go and send whenever you want to your subscribers. But we'll also give you the option to create your own campaign, and that's super simple. So we would just do, for example, example email, example content. Again, I'm not spend ages on this. And then it's a full visual editor, and whatever then you just choose which list to send it to. We'll send it to this one, and you would then go on full autopilot. It would be sent out to all your subscribers just like that. You can save the campaign, And then whenever you're ready, we could just click the send emails. We can preview the content here. You can choose a from name for the email to come from, choose which list it's going to, schedule a time, or even just send right away, send now. So you can see by default, we've placed an opt-in form on your site when you create it. But if you wish to, you can go in and create your own lists, change the opt-in form, create your own opt-in form, reposition it. And On. I'll just talk a little bit more about how that all works. So we could just give this form a name, example form, and we choose which site it's on. We're going on our health and fitness site. We choose which list it's anyone who opts into this form, which list they should be subscribed to. So it's going to go to the healthy site list. We've got some design options here, so we could change colors. We can change also the example heading, so opt-in for updates. We could even put a subheading in, do it now. And there's some options here for adding different sign-up terms and notices, which would appear under here. We can also choose to collect the names as well. And we can choose many, many different positions to have it appear in. So let's choose side of blog posts, and we'll save the opt-in form. And then if we then go and then view the site, you'll see that the opt-in form has gone from there. But if we click one of these posts, you can see that it has now appeared where we chose it on the side of the blog post. Okay, so as mentioned, your site features lots of done-for-you advertising where you don't have to do a thing, we've done it all for you. Created the images, embedded your affiliate link, chosen some great offers to get you conversions. But as I mentioned, we do give you loads and loads of different options in ClickBank 2 if you want to use them. So we can go to the advertisements here, and you can see we can go ahead and we could edit any of the ones that we've done for you. You can go in here, you could change your images, you could choose where they go. We give you lots of different options, or you can create your own advertisements here. So for example, we could maybe want to do a ClickBank banner code. All you would do there is you would just paste the banner advertisement from ClickBank. We could also have a traditional one where you upload your own image and then enter a location for them to go to. Or you could even enter your own JavaScript banner ads. So for example, if you wanted to use AdSense with your site, that's where you would embed your AdSense code. And then you just go ahead and then you choose where you want it to be displayed. So you can choose a specific page. You can choose a specific slot. We've got lots of different options here. Or you can choose a specific blog post for them to be located on. So we give you loads of options for adding your own advertisements or editing the ones that we have created for you. And of course, if you don't like any of the ones that we've added, if you just go back to the ads settings here, you can go ahead and you can just delete any of these at any point. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned so far is the fact that you can use your own domain. Now, as mentioned, usually we host it for you on a subdomain, but if you want to, you can go and use your own domain by simply following the very simple to use instructions that we have for you here. You can add in and use your site on any domain you want. Now, I don't want this demo to go on forever, so I'm trying to get through all of these incredible features as fast as I can. The only thing I think I really wanted to show you was a very simple, but I think quite useful little feature, is that you can create your own pages too. So if you want to, you can create your own page. So for example, many people like to have an About Us page, or I'll not put loads of content in here. I'll just put example content. But again, it's a full visual editor, so you can put anything you want, and how it looks here is how it will appear on your site. You can add any type of page you want, so maybe you might want a contact us page, whatever, you can do it all here. We just click Save Settings there, and then if we just head back to our site, just refresh the page, you'll see that the About Us page that we created is just been added there. But as I said, it's really, that's just obviously very quick example. So what are you getting with ClickBank 2? Well, you're getting a completely done for you ClickBank affiliate site that is monetized with advertisements, that's also monetized with review posts of great ClickBank offers complete with videos. You also get a fully integrated autoresponder. So if you just go back to where I had repositioned it, autoresponder service that you can create unlimited lists, send unlimited emails, make even more monetization commissions that way. It's a site that you can be proud of. It's a site that can be as easy or as complex as you want. Want to just create a site with one click, have a great site and let us do all the work, create all the content, you can do that. Want to go ahead and create your own content, you can do that. Want to go ahead, add your own monetization with your own ads, you can do that. ClickBank 2 is the ultimate marketing tool for aspiring ClickBank marketers, and we think it's going to be your best investment of 2021. So let's get the new year started, guys, in a great way. Jump on board with ClickBank 2 today. You are going to love it.